How to restore WeChat account with QR code. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure to restore WeChat account with QR code. So to restore your WeChat account using QR code, you must first generate a QR code from either a different device you're logged into or a computer. You can then log into your account on a new or an old device. You could just scan the QR code and follow the on-screen prompt to complete the verification process. Now, this method is typically used for logging into a new device or for transferring chat history, but not for recovering a blocked account that has lost its linked information. So likewise, as already mentioned, you just want to log into your WeChat account and tap on the settings from the WeChat section and locate WeChat from the list, and then you want to go to the general and tap on the QR code icon next to the scan to open the camera, and then you could just go ahead and scan the QR code on your new device and confirm, and that's how you should be able to restore WeChat account with QR code. So this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.